Day 29, restorative yoga for your legs up the wall.
Hey guys, this is Faith Hunter and welcome to day 29 of our 30-day meditation challenge here on Do You Yoga. I am excited because today is actually one of my favorite days. It's an opportunity to just kind of chill and relax while you're in your meditation. Now, this particular restorative posture mixed in with a little meditation is a restorative one that is going to be sweet and delicious. So what I need for you to do is actually take your body and move it close to a wall. Now, if you don't have to use a wall, as I don't have a wall here, but you definitely will elevate your legs. I would suggest using a block or placing a blanket underneath your hips so your body is at a slight angle. The legs are extended up, somewhat inverted, and you're just allowing the torso to release towards the mat. So here we go. If you are near a wall, you're going to bring your hips up against the wall. You're going to roll onto your back and lift the legs straight up the wall. If you're like me and you're using a blanket or a block, you're going to come onto your back first. You're going to bend your knees. Now, feet are on the floor. You're going to press into the soles of your feet, lift your hips, and I'm going to use the low level here on my block because you really don't have to be up that high. So the hips are going to come right onto your block, your blanket, or if you have a bolster at home, and it's near your sacrum, so that's slightly above your tailbone. And you're going to just wiggle the shoulders in just a little bit, turn the palms facing up, backs of the hands are on your mat, and you're going to slowly begin to lift the legs up towards the ceiling. And then you want to try your best to keep the legs extended up. And of course, if you're against a wall, it's a whole lot easier. But here, you're just going to kind of flex the feet just a little, not a lot, just a hair. And then just allow yourself to be here. And start to breathe in and out through your nose. If you want to open the arms a little bit wider, you can of course expand the arms out to the side. You can also take the arms over your head, just kind of finding that comfortable spot that feels right. So I'm just going to open my arms out at a slight angle, a little bit more. And just allow yourself to be with the breath here. The hips are heavy on your blanket or on the floor or block. Just allowing the weight of your legs to sink into the hips. If it becomes a little too much for those legs and they're starting to slide against the wall or they feel a little shaky, I'm just going to bring them together a little bit, or you can continue to keep them apart. Just be aware of where they are in space. So you're aware while you're doing this meditation, if it feels more comfortable with the legs elevated and the legs are sliding around, you can always take a strap or a towel or a scarf or something. You're just going to tie your thighs up just so they don't move around as much. If that's uncomfortable for you as they shift a little bit. circles. Slowly begin to bend the knees. Place the feet on the floor if you're on your block. If you're against the wall, you're just going to draw the knees into your chest. Slide any props that you may have out of the way. Knees are in towards your chest. And then you're going to slowly begin to roll over to one side. Rest here. Take another breath. On the next inhale, slowly begin to lift yourself up and come into a comfortable seat. And bring your palms together, rub them, create a little heat. Place those hands over your eyes, allow the warmth to seep in, and then release your hands. Open your eyes. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me here for a little inverted meditation. Have a great day.